What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's Flyer Kicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, like usual, man, I don't do a lot of talking, man. Let's get right into the shoe. You seen the title, you seen the thumbnail. Let's get into it. Here we have a purple box, Nike SB. Regular box, you know, tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, white, black, and white. This is a size 9.5, man. I was probably like 5 minutes late on grabbing that 11.5, 12, man. There's probably like 6 people in front of me when I got there. Probably 5 people I already checked out, but here we go, man. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Regular box paper on the inside, regular SB paper. Nothing special about the box, nothing special. Y'all seen this box probably 1,000 times, man. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low white gum is what they're calling these. Now, Nike SB did drop a version of these dunks back in 2019, if I'm not mistaken, with the orange label series. This is pretty much the exact same shoe, but on the inside of the tongue, you see it has a black label on the inside instead of that orange. And I'll post a picture of the orange label. It's literally the same shoe. Same hits, maybe a little softer leather on the white panels, but same shoe as a whole, man. Got the gum bottom, that's why they call it white gum, white and gum on the outsole. White leather, pretty smooth leather all the way around on the panels. Kind of tumbled on that toe box, kind of tumbled on the side panel behind the Nike check. But other than that, it's pretty smooth. White leather all the way around. Black hits with the white and black on the tongue tag. Black swoosh. Black Nike on the back. That's a solid shoe, man. Nothing too crazy. White and black, easy to wear, man. Gum bottom, so it won't get dirty fast or anything like that. If it had like a white bottom or something, that gum bottoms last long. The gum bottom does look good. It's one of my favorite like finishing touches on SB dunks. I like the gum bottom, and it looks good on this shoe. But like I said, they did release these back in 2019. That pair is kind of going crazy on the aftermarket, of course, because for one, they didn't initially release many of those pairs. And with it being 4 years later, the resale prices are like around $450 to $500. But with these, man, retail was 110 bucks. So nothing crazy on the retail. Resale is going for about 200 to 250. So I mean, if you're an SB head, man, you like the gum series, it's definitely not too crazy on the resale market. Maybe you're paying double, but with dunks being so cheap, it's still not bad. Now with this pack, they do have a black and gum pair, and I just saw Yankee Kicks post gray and gum pair as well. It has kind of like orange hits on that one. The gray pair is probably my favorite, then black, and then the white. The black pair, instead of having like this smooth and like slightly tumbled leather, that one has like hits of nubuck and like low suede. So the black one is probably more my cup of tea for sure. So that pair is the one I'll definitely be super going for, trying to grab for a personal, or I'll probably try to trade for the black pair, but these are still solid for sure. I ended up grabbing these ones from my local skate shop called Select, man. They do a lot of first come, first serve. If you see my videos previously, they just dropped on their Instagram, most of the time on their story. And with this one, they dropped these and a couple of other like Nijas and maybe like a pair of Blazers and things like that. And everybody went, of course, just went and grabbed the dunks. One of the most popular shoes. Not only regular Nike dunks, but of course SB dunks, probably the most popular shoes out right now. So yeah, these sold out quick, man. I got there probably like 20 minutes after they posted, and the biggest size they had left was a 9.5. So that's what I grabbed, man. That's what I grabbed. Now these shoes don't come with any extra laces or anything, which I would like to see a set of black laces in these. That might make me change my mind and try to grab a personal. If you can see that insole, it does have a white insole with the black and white Nike SB logo on the inside, man. So really plain, man. Black and white all the way around outside of that gum outsole. Everything else is straight black and white. Easy to wear, man. Super clean to me. I like basic colors. I do like the loud shoes as well, bro, but when you come in with like certain dunks and things like that, man, you can't go wrong with like the basic colors, man. It really looks good to me. If I had to rank these on a scale of 1 out of 10, these would be like a solid 7, 7.5, man. Just because of wearability, they're nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, But they're super wearable, man. Smooth, plain colors, man. You can throw it on anything, dress them up, dress them down, man. Solid shoe, bro. Solid shoe. So y'all do me a favor, man. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Are you an SB fan? Do you like the gum series? And what's your favorite out of the 3 so far that I've seen, man? The white, the black, or the gray? Like I said earlier, man, personally, my favorite would be the gray, then the black, then the white. Select, my local skate shop hasn't released a black pair yet, so I'm definitely on the lookout for those. And we're gonna try to shoot there as quick as I can, man. If you ask anybody in Houston about the first come, first serve releases, man, people are driving crazy, running through red lights. And I'm one of those people, man. Luckily, I haven't gotten a ticket yet. But if I ever do get a ticket, I'm gonna let you guys know for sure, man. But hopefully, that doesn't happen, man. It's not even put that karma out there, but I be driving crazy, man. Just trying to get there. First come, first serve, bro. And I've been pretty successful dealing with Select, man. That just about wraps it up for this video, man. I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of one of my first pickups of the year as far as retail. The Nike SB Dunk Low white gum, man. Excited to see the black ones. Hopefully I can grab the black and the gray in my size. I'm more inclined for those, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. And let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you, man. But like I said, that just about wraps it up for this video. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low white gum, man. Until next time on the next video, peace.